Have you ever walked into a furniture store, wanted to ask questions in English, and suddenly forgotten every word you studied?
Maybe you didn't know how to ask about price, delivery, size, or color. A lot of English learners feel nervous in situations like this because conversations move quickly and there are so many details to discuss. I'm Leo.
And I'm Anna. Buying furniture can feel stressful even in your native language. You're making decisions about comfort, style, measurements, and money.
All right, let's get started.
Today's conversation takes place at a furniture store where I'm looking for a new sofa and a few other items for my apartment.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Home Living Furniture. Let me know if you need any help today.
Hi, thanks. I'm actually looking for a new sofa for my living room, but I'm still trying to decide what style I want.
No problem at all. We have a lot of different options, so I'd be happy to help you narrow things down. Are you looking for something modern, traditional, or maybe something more simple and cozy?
I think I want something modern but still comfortable. I don't want a sofa that looks nice but feels uncomfortable after 10 minutes.
That makes sense. A lot of people focus only on appearance at first, but comfort is just as important, especially if you spend a lot of time in your living room. Do you have a specific color in mind?
I'm thinking about gray or beige because those colors match almost everything.
Good choices. Neutral colors are very popular right now because they're easy to decorate. Let me show you a few models over here.
All right.
This first sofa is one of our best sellers. It's made with a soft fabric material, and the cushions are designed for extra support.
Oh, this one actually feels really comfortable.
Go ahead and sit down if you'd like. That's always the best way to test a sofa.
Wow, this is softer than I expected. Sometimes sofas look comfortable online, but when you sit on them, they feel too firm.
That happens quite often. By the way, when something is firm, it means it feels hard or not very soft. That's a useful adjective when talking about furniture or mattresses.
Firm. Got it. This one feels supportive without being too hard.
Exactly. It has a balance between soft and firm, which many customers prefer.
I really like the shape, too. Do you know the dimensions? My apartment isn't very large, so I need to make sure it fits.
Of course, this sofa is 84 inches wide.
Sorry, could you repeat that a little more slowly?
Certainly, it's 84 inches wide.
Thanks. I'm still getting used to measurements in inches.
No problem. A lot of people ask for clarification during conversations, especially with numbers. That's completely normal.
I appreciate that. I think this size could work, but I should probably measure my living room again before making a final decision.
That's always a smart idea. Furniture can sometimes look smaller in a showroom than it does in an apartment.
That's true. My friend bought a huge sectional sofa last year, and it barely fit through the front door of her building.
That's more common than you'd think. We always recommend checking both the room size and the entryway measurements before ordering large furniture.
Good advice. Does this sofa come in different colors?
Yes, it does. We currently have gray, beige, dark blue, and green available.
I think gray would probably be the safest choice for me.
Gray is definitely versatile. When something is versatile, it means it works well in many different situations or styles.
Versatile. I like that word.
It's very useful when talking about clothes, furniture, or even skills.
Nice. And what about delivery? Do you deliver to apartments?
Absolutely. We offer standard delivery, and we can also bring the furniture directly into your apartment and assemble it if needed.
That would help a lot because I'm terrible at assembling furniture myself.
You're definitely not alone there. Some people enjoy building furniture, but many customers prefer having professionals handle it.
Honestly, I once spent 4 hours trying to build a bookshelf, and I still ended up with extra screws at the end.
That's actually pretty funny. At least the bookshelf stayed standing.
Barely.
Would you like to see any coffee tables or TV stands that match this sofa?
Sure. I've been thinking about replacing my coffee table too because the one I have now is very old.
Right this way. These tables are part of the same collection, so the colors and materials match nicely.
Oh, I really like this wooden one. It looks simple but elegant.
That's one of our newer designs. It's made from solid oak wood.
It feels sturdy too.
Exactly. Sturdy means strong and stable. It's another useful word when talking about furniture quality.
Sturdy. Okay, I'll remember that one.
A sturdy table usually lasts much longer, especially if you use it every day.
That's important to me because I don't want to replace everything again in just a couple of years.
Completely understandable. Are you decorating your apartment for the first time, or are you just updating a few things?
A little of both, actually. I moved into a new apartment about 3 months ago, but I brought a lot of older furniture with me because I didn't have time to shop before moving.
I see. So now you're slowly making the space feel more like home.
Exactly. I want the apartment to feel comfortable and relaxing, especially because I work from home several days a week.
That makes a huge difference. When people spend more time at home, they usually start paying closer attention to comfort and design.
Definitely. Before, I didn't care much about furniture, but after sitting on an uncomfortable chair every day during work meetings, I changed my mind.
Speaking of chairs, are you also looking for a desk chair today?
Actually, yes, mine hurts my back after a few hours.
Then you should probably look at our ergonomic office chairs.
Ergonomic. What does that mean exactly?
Good question. Ergonomic means designed to support your body comfortably and reduce strain. People often use that word when talking about office furniture or equipment.
Ah, understood. That sounds like exactly what I need.
Let me show you this model over here. It has adjustable armrests, back support, and seat height controls.
This already looks much better than the chair I currently have at home.
Go ahead and try it.
Wow, this feels surprisingly comfortable.
Many people don't realize how important a good chair is until they start having neck or back pain.
That's true. I used to think all office chairs were basically the same.
A quality chair can really improve your daily routine, especially if you work long hours at a desk.
How much is this one?
This model is currently on sale for $249.
That's actually less expensive than I expected.
We're having a seasonal sale this week, so several items are discounted.
That's good timing for me.
It definitely is. Are you shopping for anything else today? Maybe a dining table, bed frame, or lamp?
I do need a lamp, actually. My living room lighting is terrible at night.
Lighting changes the atmosphere of a room more than people realize. Some lamps create a warmer and more relaxing feeling, while others are brighter and more practical for reading or working.
I'd like something warm and cozy, not too bright.
In that case, I think you'll like these floor lamps over here.
Oh, this one is beautiful. I love the gold details.
That design has been very popular recently because it adds a modern touch without looking too flashy.
And it's tall enough to fit nicely beside the sofa.
Exactly. A lot of customers place it next to a sofa or reading chair.
Do the light bulbs come included?
Yes, they do. And the light brightness level is adjustable.
That's convenient.
Would you like me to calculate the total price for the sofa, coffee table, chair, and lamp together?
Sure, that would help. I'm trying to stay within a budget.
Of course. Furniture shopping can add up quickly.
Tell me about it. I came in planning to buy one sofa, and now I'm mentally redesigning my entire apartment.
That happens to many customers. Once people start decorating, they get inspired and want everything to match.
Exactly.
Let me check the prices for you. All right, including the sale discounts, the total comes to $1,820 before tax.
That's a little higher than I originally planned, but honestly, it seems reasonable for everything included.
We also offer financing options if you'd prefer to spread the payments out over time.
That's good to know, but I think I'd rather pay up front if possible.
Fair enough. Some customers prefer avoiding monthly payments.
Do you have any warranties on the furniture?
Yes, the sofa includes a 3-year warranty covering structural damage, and the office chair includes a 2-year warranty.
That makes me feel better about the purchase.
Absolutely. Furniture is a big investment, so warranties provide extra peace of mind.
I agree. And how long does delivery usually take?
Most items can be delivered within 5 to 7 business days.
That's faster than I expected.
We'd try to keep our most popular products in stock for quicker delivery.
That's helpful, because I've heard stories about people waiting months for furniture orders.
Unfortunately, delays can happen sometimes, especially with custom furniture, but these items are already available in our warehouse.
Perfect.
Would you like to go ahead with the order today?
I think so, yes. I've been searching for weeks, and this is the first store where I found several things I actually like.
That's great to hear. Let's head over to the counter and I'll help you place the order.
Sounds good.
Before we finalize everything, can I have your phone number and delivery address?
Sure. My phone number is 555-482-9136, and my address is 214 Greenway Avenue, apartment 5B.
Thank you. And what day works best for delivery?
Probably next Thursday, because I'll be working from home that day.
No problem. We currently have an afternoon delivery window available between 1 and 5 p.m.
That works for me.
Excellent. We'll also send you a confirmation text message the day before delivery.
Perfect.
Would you like assembly service included for the coffee table and office chair as well?
Honestly, after my bookshelf disaster, I think that's probably the safest option.
Probably a wise decision.
How much extra does assembly cost?
For those two items together, it's an additional $70.
All right, let's include it. Future me will definitely be grateful.
Understood. I'll add that to the order.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And just so you know, if you change your mind about any item before delivery, you can contact us within 48 hours to modify the order.
That's really helpful.
All right, everything is ready. You can insert your card whenever you're ready to pay.
Okay. Done.
Perfect. Your payment was approved. Here's your receipt along with the delivery information.
Thanks for all your help today. You made the process much easier than I expected.
It was my pleasure. You asked great questions, and I think you picked some excellent pieces for your apartment.
I'm excited to finally make the space feel complete.
I'm sure it's going to look fantastic once everything is set up.
I hope so. Maybe now my apartment will finally look like an adult lives there instead of a college student.
That transition happens slowly for most people, one furniture purchase at a time.
That's reassuring.
Well, thank you again for shopping with us today. Have a wonderful afternoon.
You too. Take care.
And that brings us to the end of today's English conversation about buying furniture.
We hope this lesson helped you feel more confident using English while shopping, asking questions, comparing products, and discussing prices or delivery options.
Remember, you don't need perfect English to communicate successfully. Speaking clearly, asking polite questions, and requesting clarification when necessary are already excellent communication skills.
Keep practicing these conversations out loud because repetition helps build confidence and fluency over time.
And if you enjoyed learning with us today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the English Talk channel, and share this lesson with a friend who's also learning English.
Thanks again for practicing with us today. Keep learning, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone, and take care.